started to rain, I started thinking about being single again. I got off at the first station, I went to Westfield, trying to buy myself some time, and I'm back here, and I'm trying to explain what brought me back. Just a hunch, just an inkling, just a feeling. Force of habit, a compromise, a failure. But I got this feeling that over years love turns into background noise, like this ringing in my ears, like the buzzing of the fridge. You only notice when it disappears. Oh my. I got no excuses, I can't remember the first time, or the last time, or the way we got from here to there. Should I keep you at arm's length, too far away? I'll die of cold too close, I lose my teeth and hair.